Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix there was a problem with the Nvidia app. Let's begin. So after you've downloaded the Nvidia app and you've installed it on your PC, then if you get the error, what I would recommend is to update your graphics card. Then you're going to search up Device Manager. After doing that, you are going to look for something which says Display Adapters and you are going to expand it. Now in my case, I'm using Intel graphics, but if you have a Nvidia graphics card, it's going to show up under Display Adapters. So you're going to select it, then right click, and then select Update Driver. Then you could choose either option, so to search automatically for drivers or browse My Computer for drivers. So make sure that you get the latest drivers for your PC and graphics card, and then try to search them automatically or manually on your computer. Now the second option would be to go to your app section in your settings. So once you open up settings, you will go to apps, then go to install apps. Then what you need to do is you need to look for your Nvidia app. And once you've located it, you are going to go to the right side and select the three dots. And then you go to select uninstall. After uninstalling, try to reinstall the app again. Sometimes when you're using your Windows computer, there can be occasions where some files become corrupted, causing them to not be able to open or run correctly. So in this situation, what you need to do is you need to reinstall the app so that a fresh copy of the app can be installed. Now, the other option would be to open up your task manager and then try to see if there's any Nvidia application running or Nvidia service. So once you found the service, you're going to right click and you're going to select end task. So once you've closed down every single Nvidia app or service, try to open the app again. And there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you and I'll see you in the next one.